Tired of waiting for large video files to download just to watch them? Let's unlock seamless video playback directly from your PC's Dropbox. First things first, ensure you have the Dropbox desktop application installed and running on your PC if you don't have it yet. A quick visit to Dropbox.com will get you set up once installed. You'll see the familiar Dropbox folder in your File Explorer, ready to sync your cloud content. Now, navigate to your Dropbox folder within your PC's File Explorer. Locate the video file you want to watch. You'll notice that even without downloading, you can actually preview many video file types directly within Dropbox. Simply double-click on the video file. This action will open the video in Dropbox's integrated video player. You don't need any additional software to start watching. You can use the familiar playback controls A-circumflex euros. Play, pause, rewind, fast-forward A-circumflex euros. Right within this handy player, adjust the volume or go full screen for the best viewing experience. This is incredibly convenient for quickly reviewing clips or sharing content with others without clogging up your local storage. Want to access it from anywhere? You can also use the Dropbox website on your PC's browser. Just log into your Dropbox account, navigate to the video file, and click on it to play directly in the browser. Notice how both methods offer a smooth streaming experience, effectively treating your Dropbox as a direct media library for your PC. This bypasses the need for lengthy downloads for quick viewing sessions, making your workflow much more efficient. So, there you have it, A-circumflex euros. Effortless video playback on your PC, straight from Dropbox. Enjoy your media without the wait.